Looking for how to fix camera not working on Android phone. In this video I show you how to fix camera not working on Android. For solving this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps, scroll down, then find out camera app, tap on camera, scroll down, then tap on storage and cache. Now clear storage, delete. Now tap on force stop. Okay. Now tap on permission, allow location permission. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open camera app. Now I hope that this method fix camera not working problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thomas Guide.